It's a tiger. Tiger says, it's a panda. And the panda says, it's a giraffe. And the giraffe says, it's a hippopotamus. And the hippopotamus says, it's a monkey. And the monkey says, it's a bear. And the bear says, it's an eagle. And the eagle says, it's a crocodile. And the crocodile says, wow! What an exciting journey! We hope you had fun meeting all these amazing animals. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!